Okay, hello and good day everyone. No, so today we will discuss naman about the revolution and degrees. No, okay. So revolution, just like what we discussed last time, last topic, nung sa previous topic, one revolution is equal to 360 degrees. No, then in 1 degrees is equal to 60 minutes and 60 minutes, and in 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Now, example here: how many degrees is the angle generated by array making? Here for the first one, how many degrees are there in 1/6 revolution? Okay, so to compute for the number of degrees given the revolution, we have 1/6 times 360 degrees is equal to 360 divided by 6 is 60 degrees. Okay, so yung 60 degrees is 1/6 lang ng revolution, and then yung whole revolution or one revolution is equal to 360 degrees. Okay, now how about this one? Negative 2 times, negative 2 over by 5 revolution. No, so what is the degree of negative 2/5 revolution? Again, multiply lang yan by 360 degrees. No, then we have negative 2 times 360 is negative 720 divided by 5. That would be equal to negative 144 degrees. Okay, next, how many revolutions is made by an angle of 120 degrees naman? This time naman, converting from the revolution to degree. No, given the degrees to revolution. No, yung number one from revolution to degree, this time naman from degree to revolution. Now, we have 120 degrees. How many revolutions are there in 120 degrees? Okay, to solve, we will divide it only to 360. Okay, nag-divide naman tayo dito ng 360. 120 degrees divided by 360 degrees, no? We cannot divide it immediately kasi nga 120 is not divisible by 360 degrees. Then what should we do here? Get the lowest term, no? What is the lowest term of 120 over by 360? We have 1 over by 1/3. 1 over by 3. Paano naging 1/3 to? Ano yung common factor nila? 120. 120 divided by 120 is 1. 360 divided by 120 is 3. Okay, so hindi ko na masyadong i-expand yung lowest term kasi nga na-discuss na yan sa inyo last yung mga previous years nyo. Actually, during elementary. No? So, dapat hindi na magkamali sa lowest term. Madali na lang yan. Paulit-ulit na lang natin yung ginagamit. And then now, no? So 120 is equal to 1/3 revolution. Next, negative 135 degrees. No? Again, divide lang natin by 360 degrees and then get the lowest term. Okay? What is the lowest term here? We have negative 3 over by 8. Okay? Ano yung common factor? What is the common factor here? 45. Negative 135 divided by 45 is negative 3. And 360 divided by 45 is 8. Okay? So here, no, negative 135 degrees is equal to negative 3/8 revolution. Now, let us have an exercise. Give the degrees of the following revolutions. So here, given yung revolution, hanapin natin yung degrees. For 6th revolution, ilang degree yan? Again, to find it, we will multiply it by 360 degrees. 4 times 360 is equal to 1,440. Divide by 6, then we have 240 degrees. Okay? Dali lang. Next, number 2, 5 halves revolution. Multiply by 360 degrees, no? 5 times 360 is equal to 1,800. Then divide by 2, then we have 900 degrees. Number 3, negative 27 times 300 degree, 360. So we have 2 times 360 degrees is equal to 720. Divide by 7, that would be equal to negative 102.86 degrees. So rounded off na to. Okay? Next naman, now give the revolution of the following degrees. This time naman from degree to revolution. Now we have 45 degrees, divide lang by 360 degrees, then get the lowest term. We have, okay, the common factor is 45. 45 divided by 45 is 1. 360 divided by 45 is 8. So we have 1/8 revolution for 45 degrees. Next, 120 degrees naman, no? Divide by 360 degrees, get the lowest term, the least common factor, the common factor here is 120, no? 120 divided by 120, we have 1. 360 divided by 120 is 3. So we have 1/3. How about number 3? Number 3, we have negative 810 divided by 360 degrees. What is the common factor? 90, no? Negative 810 divided by 90 is negative 9. Then 360 divided by 90 is 4. So we have negative 9/4 revolution. Okay, so that's it. Okay, thank you for listening. And again, don't forget to answer your exercises. Okay, so that's all. Goodbye and God bless.